Good afternoon. I realize it's a little bit early for Christmas, but I just had bought these little hilarious hand sock puppets. Hilarious sock puppets. I had just purchased this, and I wanted to do like a little bit of a voice acting. Try my best as possible as I possibly could. I've got myself a reindeer. Well, I'm getting ready for Christmas. And Christmas this year is going to be an absolute blast. And there's a lot of good kids, and then a lot of bad kids in the world. Wait. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good, for goodness sake. Well, as you all know, I live in the North Pole. Look at this. Wait a minute. I've got a special guest for all of you. Alright everyone, introducing the reindeer, which is right here.
Hey, this is my voice, and anyways, I hope that each and every one of you have I hope you have a happy and wonderful and safe Christmas. So, I suppose that's all that I wanted to say for now. But, you never know.
Oh, well, you have no idea what year this is?
What year is it?
And this is Christmas 2014. And watch me headbang. Yeah. Got head rock to disturb. Yeah.
Hey, that's not the kind of music that we play in Christmas season. And what we play in Christmas is this.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday.
Happy holiday to you, Coca-Cola. Oh.